Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Indeed Flex app review to see with what you're using. So let's dive into it. So talking about Indeed Flex app. Indeed Flex app is a flexible work app that connects users to temporary and shift-based job in industry like retail, hospitality and logistics. It allows workers to choose when and where they want to work, offering features like same-day pays, easy onboarding and a friendly user interface. The app available on both iOS and Android, giving workers more freedom to manage their schedules while providing employers with a vetted temporary staff. However, some users report inconsistent job availability depending on location, as well as occasional app glitches that affect clocking in or shift management. Also complained about poor customer support and strict penalties for missing or cancel shift. In conclusion, the app is worth using if you want a flexibility and can also secure regular shift in your area, but not ideal if you need a guaranteed work or quick issue resolution. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.